Hello friends, I am Akanksha and you are watching Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, this is part 3 of chapter number 2, is matter around us pure. This question is taken from NCERT textbook class 9. So in this portion, in this part, we will learn about concentration of the solution, solubility of the solution and the methods to get the concentration of solution. Some numerical methods also I will tell in this portion. So let's get started. But before starting, once again, it's a request to subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you. Now, concentration of solution, the amount of the solute, whether it will be a mass or a volume. Maybe it will be a mass or volume means whether it will be a solid or it will be a liquid or a gas. The amount of solute present in the given amount of solution is called as the concentration of solution. So earlier we knew that solution has two parts, solute and solvent. So what is concentration? Concentration is the simplest meaning is the amount of solute. Whatever is put in the particular amount of solution is called its concentration. Okay, and it is a relative kind of property. We can't say particular or dilute. We will relate it to the other solution. Then this is dilute, then this. If we are having two different solution, I will tell which this is concentrated, then this, or this is dilute, then this. It's a relative property. It's not a particular alone property. So according to this, we have three types of solutions. One is dilute solution, second is concentrated solution, and the third one is saturated solution, which is also a kind of concentrated solution, but I will explain you with the help of example. So let's understand the dilute solution. First, suppose dilute solution means suppose we have 1 tablespoon of sugar plus 1 glass of water. What we will get a solution. Now, we can't say this solution is dilute or concentrated because this is a relative property. When we have some other solution, then only we can compare. Now, next is we have suppose 3 spoons of sugar plus 1 glass water. Again, we will get a solution. Sugar water solution. So what will happen here? Now we can say this is solution number 2 and this is solution number 1. Now we can say solution 2 is concentrated, then solution number 1. Or we can say solution 1 is diluted, then the solution number 2. Why it is called diluted? Because it has a small amount of solute dissolved in 1 glass of water, and here in the second solution the amount of solute is more compared to the first solution, which is dissolved in 1 glass of water. So depending upon the quantity of the solute present in the given amount of solution, there are diluted solution, dilute solution and concentrated solution. Okay, now what is the next one? Saturated solution. When we have a concentrated solution, okay, take a concentrated and add we can say very concentrated. It means a lot of solute is dissolved in a given amount of solvent. Then it's a very concentrated solution. If we add 1 more spoon of sugar, what will happen? It will be dissolved or not? At some stage, the sugar will not dissolve in the water. After putting a lot of sugar, at one stage the sugar stop dissolving in water. That stage is called saturated stage, and the solution we get at that stage is called saturated solution. So if there is no more sugar, then this is called saturated solution. Okay. So this will happen when there is we already mix a lot of sugar in the water, and we have a very concentrated sugar water solution, and again we want to try to dissolve some more at one stage, that we will find that sugar is not being able to dissolve in the water because the concentration of sugar in that water is too much high that no other more particles will be able to dissolve in that. At that stage, at that temperature, that solution, that particular solution, that concentrated solution is called the saturated solution. This is, so we have three types of solution: dilute solution, concentrated solution, and very concentrated solution that is not been able to add any more solute is called saturated solution. So we learned three types of solution. Now next topic is solubility. Solubility comes when we understand the saturated solution because it is related to saturated solution. Solubility definition is the amount of solute present in the saturated solution. The amount of solute present in the saturated solution at any given temperature is called its solubility. So we knew that if we add sugar to water, at some point sugar will stop dissolving in the water. Then what we can do? We can heat up the solution. So when we heat up the solution, we can see the sugar is again started dissolving because of the rise in temperature. But at some time, at particular temperature, again the sugar stopped dissolving. It means at that temperature, that particular solution in which the sugar is not dissolving, that solution is called saturated solution, and the amount of sugar that we added already to it, that total amount of sugar in that saturated solution, it's called its solubility. Is that clear to you all? So solubility is just the amount of solute in the very simple way. Just a amount of solute in the saturated solution. At any given temperature. So here temperature is very important to mention. Now the main topic is how to calculate concentration of solution. We have three formulas to calculate the concentration of solution. The first formula is mass by mass percentage of solution. So for this we have the formula mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. The second one is mass by volume percentage of solution. So in this, mass of solute upon volume of solution multiplied by 100. And the third one is volume by volume percentage of solution. So it is written as volume of solute upon volume of solution multiplied by 100. So generally, if you see any medicine bottle, any syrup bottle, you will see some that ingredients are written like M by M, that is called mass by mass, or we can see M by V, mass by volume, or we can say we can say V by V. It means volume by volume, V upon V, and these are all in percent. So you can understand by seeing any syrup bottle, you can understand what is that. That is the concentration of the solute in the solution in the form of percent. So mass by mass percentage will get by this formula. Mass by volume will get by this formula, and volume by volume we will get by this formula. So this is all for today. This is for the concentration of the solution. Hope you guys understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me by writing a comment. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.